What's up, everybody? My name is Phelan, for short, and welcome to my tutorial on OBS, how to record. Before I do, let's be honest, the majority of OBS tutorials suck. They either have too loud music, or the guy just goes on and on. I'm going to make this short, so I can get short, sweet, and to the point. What you want to do is you want to go to Settings, Audio, and make sure these are set to the default. Like, let's say you're using a headset, which I am, and let's say you're using a XLR mic, which I am. Leave these two the same. Sample rate, 48,000 hertz. That's the best audio you can get. Now, with bass and output, that's a little advanced, but set both of those to 1280 by 720. Common FPF value, leave it at 60. Now, what you want to do for recording is you want to go to recording, set this to rescale output 1280 by 720, CBR, which means constant bitrate, and bitrate to 50,000. Now, that would give you by far the best video quality you can get. Now, go to audio and set all three of these to 320. And let me show you how to separate them without any use of those crazy VTS or whatever the heck they're called. You go to mic/AOX, audio properties. Track 1 is desktop audio. Track 2 is desktop audio 2, which I use to record with TaterCat. And track 3 is what I use for my mic auxiliary. Now, if you have all three of these set to 3 different tracks, it will automatically split them all into 3 different tracks. So if you don't want the desktop audio showing, you can turn that off. Desktop audio 2, same thing. And mic auxiliary turned off as well. And that's pretty much the long and the short of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Hey everyone, Ashley here. I wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I would love it if you left a like. Anyway, don't forget to have a nice day. After all, it's what we do.